To say that we're predestined means that God has foreordained the chosen, the elect, the saved, to glory and heaven and justification and so forth. So everybody, I think, really agrees with predestination in that sense. The only question is predestination compatible with free will? And the Molinist perspective is that God's election and predestination is based upon his middle knowledge of how people would freely respond if God's grace were offered to them, so that every human being has, in a sense, the opportunity to be in the company of the predestined. One Molinist put it very nicely when he said, "It is up to God whether we find ourselves in a world in which we are predestined, but it is up to us whether we are predestined in the world in which we find ourselves."